horse country, USA, 30 miles north of Dallas at my ranch. And I'm here today with one of our new friends, Skeeter. You drove all the way across the country to get to Aubrey, Texas.
Yes, I did.
Do you mind sharing what brought you here?
Actually, it was probably a prayer from God. Seriously, I wanted to do this my whole life, and I picked out you from your profile to match me with a good horse. And then with your Christian background and me being a newly Christian person, that's what I kind of matched us up with. So I knew I was going in the right direction because every time I prayed, things were happening and rolling fast through us.
Wow. I kind of sensed that, but I'm like, I've got chills all over. Just to hear it, like to see things manifest, to see them come to fruition is really fun and exciting for us. I am a believer. I committed this ranch and this business to God many years ago, and I think it's been really interesting to see the people that He sends. You know, the people that drive across that threshold, come through that gate. It's been really fun over the years. I've been doing this for quite a while. But you're from North Dakota, so tell us about your barrel racing experience and why you wanted to get back in the saddle.
Well, I used to ride at my mom and dad's ranch, and we had cattle back then, and I went with my friend Brandy, and she was a barrel racer, and we went from North Dakota to Arizona to Oklahoma, and then all over in North Dakota, and it's been fun watching her, and I just thought I would give myself that try and the opportunity to do that now that I'm older and I'm able to work with people that will actually help me through this journey.
Well, I'm honored that you found us. I'm honored that you made such a long trip. I mean, you came a long way to get here. And first of all, I'm honored that you trusted me ahead of time. You know, you placed a high amount of faith in me and my ability to match you with a horse. So she actually purchased a horse over the phone without seeing any photos and without seeing any videos. And I don't take that trust lightly. It is an honor to me, and I've had fun. I've had fun preparing the horse for you. Now, the horse that we chose for you ended up not being the best match, so tell us about that experience and what the pivot was like for you.
Well, just knowing that she had a lot of power and the speed that I was not used to, and then changing over to the thoroughbred that was more listening to me made me feel more comfortable and very at ease to go ahead and run around the barrels.
Yeah. So I'm glad we had that horse here for you because we wanted the best outcome. I know you would have been fine on the first horse, but having a backup to put in her place just made me feel much more confident, as I know it makes you feel confident too. So I'm excited about your future with your new horse. I'm excited about whatever God is doing in our new friendship. I sense there's a lot more coming, guys. there's a lot more in our future that will be coming out of this week that we've spent together, getting to know each other. And I have a feeling you're going home with some new tips that you can help share with friends.
Right.
What's one thing that stood out to you that made things easier for you in the saddle?
Actually, it was probably the positions of my hands. I mean, I was always taught to relax your hands, put your hands down, and then going from a different angle to actually raising them where they're comfortable at. It made it easier to go around the turns without really tugging on the rein or actually just, you know, I don't know, how would you put it, more roughly with the horse, where actually I can use just two fingers and to go around the barrel and not so much of a hand jerking off to the side.
Yeah.
So.
It makes a huge difference when we just think about the angle of the bit and the angle of the rein with our hands, and the horse has definitely responded to you. Now, for someone that only has maybe an afternoon to come spend with me, was it beneficial for you to learn several days in a row?
Yes, it was. It was very beneficial. It was easier to actually get to know the horse, get to know me, see if we matched, and then I was able to actually trot with the horse, and I haven't done that in years. So to get it up to a higher speed now, that I'm going to have to work on.
Yeah. Well, I know you can. You'll get there. Guys, if you would like help getting back in the saddle, maybe pursuing your your own gold buckle dreams, your own barrel racing dreams that you've put on a shelf for a lot of years. It's what we love to do here at Gold Buckle Barrel Horses, and we would love a chance to meet you and work with you, just like Skeeter here. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your story. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and if you have any questions, look us up at goldbucklebarrelhorses.com.